What?
All right, folks, let's walk you through some of the basic documentation for how to use Looker and its features. Remember, Looker is a data solution. It's a data platform that helps you collect the data and process it all the way to publish the data for any AI modeling from scratch to finish. And my demonstration is using Looker Studio, which is a community version available online in cloud for you to experiment, learn, and use it for the minimal purposes. But for your enterprise purposes, you must have a Looker professional. I must suggest that. And today we are looking at how we can leverage this solution to your business needs. But before that, I would like you to actually go to the Looker's documentation on Google. Which will help you basically understand and implement your data problems, solve your data problems. So Looker is what it's saying here. Looker is a product that helps you explore, share, and visualize your company's data so that you can make better business decisions. Okay. Now, if you can see, and that's the beauty of any solution that speaks to the users and helps them the best, is when they have wonderful documentation. Looker, because I have worked with Looker, professional right from the get-go when they came into the market. The best thing that they did, they have the best of the documentation available in the market. Unlike most of the other, Google documentation, this company, because it started on its own, and they did a great job on documenting each and every aspect of Looker and its features from its user perspective or from administrative perspective. See, here is how-to guides and features descriptions over here. Let's check that in. And best practices, lookable references, API references, and other references over here. And I'm on the Looker Studio drop down here because this is where most of the tests we can do on our own if you would like to. Welcome to Looker Studio. Looker Studio is no-cost tool that turns your data into informative, easy to read, easy to share, and fully customizable dashboards and reports. Use the drag and drop report editor to tell your story, make reports, include links, clickable images, annotate brand reports, style. Everything that you may imagine about a data solution that helps in an interactive way and democratizes your data. Okay, so this is your Looker Studio help guide or your Looker Professional help guide. Let's check if they have any overview in which we can find out how their layers sit on logically to help you from scratch to finish while processing the data and building insights. On their original Looker, website, they used to have wonderful, infographics as well. I'm gonna look for the infographic here, looker.com possibly. Let's see. What was their old? See, they're all now direct here. YouTube, Google's documentation, how it works, reduce cross. Okay. Alrighty. Product documentation. Let's check that. Looker variations, product variations. Okay. Studio overview. Okay. See, Looker is a business intelligence platform. It provides data exploration and dashboarding, interface for users, and ID for data modelers, and rich embedding and API features for developers. See the difference. Looker Studio is no-cost tool that turns your data into fully customizable reports. It provides an easy-to-use drag-and-drop editor. It's available in the Google cloud, hosted by you or other cloud services, or hosted on your own servers, the Looker one. And Looker Studio is in cloud, it's a Google Cloud service that's available on this link over here. Looker is the right choice for customers who need the following: governance for key metric definitions, robust data access permissions, sharing, scheduling, alerting, operational analytics, integration of analytics in existing tools and workflows, custom applications you can build. Looker Studio, on the other hand, is the right choice for customers who need self-service analytics and visualizations, interactive dashboards for more than 1,000 data sources, report embedding of the web, one-off visualization or reports, single data source, pre-aggregated data sets. And this is where I would like to see if there is any additional infographics that we can catch, which it looks like. And look at training, actually, look at that. The training, Cloud Skill, it's hosted by them, okay. Learning path, introduction to Looker. If you're interested in learning about it, you should be able to take one of these BI analytics with Looker path, introduction to Looker, and custom fields. See, each segment is here. Look at that. All these courses are so relevant if you plan on using Looker in your workflow, analytics workflow, actually. So, and look at that, 2 hours, 45 minutes, 1 hour, 5 hours, 45 minutes. The role of Looker in data analysis process. I'd suggest picking up one of those courses. I've done most of them because I worked firsthand. So, alrighty, say start a learning path. Okay, Cloud Skills Boost, and therefrom you can start the core functionalities, access control. So this is all the training you can do in order to enrich your skill set. Okay. I think that is on the Looker, and now Looker Studio, and I want to see what's on the Studio end. Okay, because they are just, as I suggested the last time, Looker Studio is the community version available on Google Cloud, and it's some sort of combination of Data Studio and Looker Studio. Google killed its Data Studio application, and when they bought Looker, they merged it as a Looker Studio solution to begin with. Okay, so it's a web, has a web interface, report templates, data connectors, API, report embedding, and all that.
Let's take a quick look at some of its key differentiators.
Pro, look at that. Let's say Looker Studio Pro is a premium version of Looker Studio. With Looker Studio Pro, you get access to all the features of Looker Studio that you already know, plus enhanced enterprise capabilities and technical support. Looker Studio Pro licenses are available at no cost. Okay, and of course, no cost to Looker Original or Looker users. What you get with Looker Studio Pro You own the organization's content, collaborate at
Looker's
scale, and
API
teamwork
first platform
spaces,
empowers
automate report
organizations to
delivery,
build
empower
custom data
exploration,
experiences
personal
and
reports.
seamlessly
Looker
integrate
Studio
analytics
mobile
into
app, get
existing
help with
workflows.
cloud customer care.
Generative AI.
Gemini in Looker. How
Looker's
Gemini
integration
comes in
with
picture?
generative AI
Gemini in Looker provides AI
to
assistance to
automate
help
tasks,
Looker Studio Pro
generate
users
insights,
ask
and
questions
create
about their data
experiences with
and
unprecedented
create
ease and
calculated
efficiency.
fields using natural
Looker
language
empowers
prompts
everyone in
and
your
add Looker
organization,
Studio
from data
content to
analysts to
slide
business users,
presentations,
to make better decisions
all
faster.
with
Let's
the
continue our Looker
commands.
journey and
That's
explore the
where
essential components
the
of this
AI
powerful platform.
interface helps.
In the next lesson, we'll delve
Yes,
into the key features and
of course.
functionalities that make Looker an
It'd be
invaluable
interesting
tool
for
data analysis and
anyone
business
to
intelligence.
actually walk through these pieces. But first of all, it's very important, as I suggest, to understand the nuts and bolts of this application. And if you have not any experience working with the data, I first suggest you do some sort of training about data analysis and data to begin with. Okay. Looking for some good visuals here.
Let's explore the key features that make
That's the
Looker
training.
such
I'm
a
sure when you go through the
platform
training,
for
you'll be
data
able to.
exploration,
I used to have my own
analysis, and
presentation
visualization.
stack,
Here are some of
which
the
I
key
don't have
features
access
we'll
to
cover.
right now, I guess.
Look ML, customizable, easy-to-use
Go to-
dashboards and reports, real-time data
Okay.
exploration,
Infographic,
integration
if there is any.
capabilities, Looker API, version control, custom data applications, and collaborative features. Let's start with Look ML.
So
Looker's own
definitely
data
one thing is sure that
based on SQL.
whichever the path you
Look
want to
ML
choose,
makes it easy to define dimensions,
learning about
measures,
it in
business
general,
rules, and metrics.
particularly
This ensures
whichever
everyone in
version
your
you have
organization
access
is
to
working with
freely,
consistent and
is
accurate
important. Okay.
data. Looker makes it easy to create customizable dashboards and reports.
So let's see. Yesterday we learned how to create a new data source. We used Google Sheet.
You're not a data expert.
Let me
You can
change
customize
my.
these to include specific metrics,
Yes.
dimensions, and
So we built
visualizations, and
a quick
export them in
report
various formats, such as
that we were
PDF
trying
or
to
CSV. You can also easily
attach,
share these reports
you
with
know,
your team
a
members,
new data
ensuring
source. We
everyone
used
has
a
access
new
to the
data
latest insights.
sheet,
Need to
Google
explore
Sheet.
your data in real
We
time?
connected with a Google
Looker
Sheet
has
and
the
created
tools
one
you
quick
need. You can
report.
drill down into specific data
You
points,
can also
results,
see,
and
going
uncover
back to
insights
my reports
immediately.
over here,
Looker integrates
that
seamlessly
I had
with a wide range
created
of data sources, including Google
a
Analytics,
while back,
Google Ads,
about
BigQuery,
that's based
and
on the
many
fire
others,
station data in
giving you a
Oregon
unified
State.
view of your data
Here's the
landscape.
data I
For
tried to
developers
explore
and
with, and
advanced
you know,
users,
as I
Looker
suggested
API
last time,
provides
you
a
can
secure
always
way
edit
to
the
manage
report,
your Looker
point to the
instance
table,
and retrieve
and
data
see what all the
programmatically.
data
Use
entities
the
available
API to
for
integrate
you
Looker
and
with
what
other
type of
applications,
what are their
automate
types
tasks,
and
build
how you
custom
can best
tools,
utilize
and much
them.
more. This
On
gives
page
you greater
3,
flexibility and control over your data and
there's a
workflow.
bar chart
To
introduced to
learn more
you,
about
and
Looker
it's as
API
easy
and
as
its
you can imagine,
capabilities,
as I
view the
talked
additional
about it
resources
yesterday.
included in this course.
I am going to
Looker's
find
built-in
out
version
a
control.
more
You
meaningful
can
data
track
set for
changes,
us
see who made them,
to
and understand
build
why.
it from
This
scratch.
ensures transparency
Some
and accountability
dashboards and
across your
reports
data
along
projects.
with as I
Looker
walk
also
you
allows
through
you
the
to build
basics
custom
of
data applications tailored to
Looker,
your specific needs.
but I highly
These
recommend going
applications
through the
can be as
training
simple
by
as a
yourself.
custom reporting tool for your team
Would be
or
very
as
much helpful
complex
to
as
you. So,
Welcome to
lo and behold, you want to start this training and definitely continue on your data problem solutioning journey with Coach Veee, me. Okay, it's important that you do that. Yeah. Well, thank you very much for connecting with me. Send in your questions. I have my email or contact forms in both the platforms available, YouTube or on TikTok, and I'd be able to walk you through any one of these pieces
customizable, easy-to-use
on one-on-one
dashboards and
calls.
reports.
Thank you very much.
Real-time data exploration, integration capabilities, Looker API, version
Hello, how
control,
can I help you?
custom data applications, and
What's up?
collaborative features. Let's start with Look ML, Looker's own data modeling language that's based on SQL. Look ML makes it easy to define dimensions, measures, business rules, and metrics. This ensures everyone in your organization is working with consistent and accurate data.
Yeah.
Looker makes it easy to create customizable dashboards and reports.
Okay.
Intuitive
Let's
drag
see.
and
Look,
drop
Mullen,
interface
semantic. This is
allows
the
you to
layer.
build
That's what I
dynamic
was talking
dashboards
about.
and detailed reports.
And I
even
don't
if
think
you're
we'd
not
be
a
able
data
to
expert.
see it unless. Okay. Yes.
Let's explore LookML.
Semantic
Looker's
layer.
data model.
Let's see if I
This
could
module
capture
in a semantic layer.
a
Transforming
very
query
basic
language is a effectively way in the
infographic
first
here
place.
that may
Even
help
for
us.
Look names to data find
Okay.
custom is only the
Of
the
course,
guide
they have
with LookML.
reproduced this.
Everyone in your
a lot.
organization can work with the semantic define custom reports with raw data, learn and use or structured its role for consistent and
Yes.
reliable data analysis. In this module, you
Alrighty.
understand why